So let's start with today's week 5 session. So in this session, we will be discussing about in the first session we'll be discussing about execution system call. So this is one of the basic programs. So let's start implementing it. Let me close all the older files. Before that, let me create a file name called as mm, executable system call. Exec system is what let me keep as file folder name. Pardon, file name. And if we go to users, if we add here, let me add as exec system. Let's see, exec.system.c. Perfect. So we have created it. So let me close this. So let me copy the header part and let me paste it over here. And yeah. So here like what would be doing is like so we will be running the exec system call which replaces all the things with process regard to the current process image and it creates a new program. So basically in this process the PID remains the same. The code data and stack are replaced. So execute starts generally starts from main only. So this program demonstrates how do we use execute. So let's start. So int main of void. So let's write something like printf. So in printf, let us like before exec before exec. Now let us create a character variable with some array key value arguments. Okay, here let us pass some like IITM. Make 3 IITM. Next comes hello guys, hello people. Then comes some random number like 1, 2. Okay, so let us close this. Now let us use keyword called exec. Here let us try to print and we aren't printing it, we are just giving a print and we are calling the arg value parameter. So it should call all the previous things. Then again, let us print something like after exec before exec and comes after exec. Perfect. Okay. Now let us return it. Exit 0. Okay. So let me save this. So let me build it. Hope I haven't made any printf mistakes this time. Yes. I hope everything is fine. Let us run and check it again. So over here, like we have taken, there is one, there is proper, we take some number 0. Okay. So I'll explain you why did we by 0, why not any number. Then let us run exec systm. exec systm exec systm. Able to get it. So here should let us take this after. Hmm. XCC as well as TM. Acha, so no, no. So we have changed it, but we didn't compile it. Make human. Now EXECSYSTEN. See, we are getting before and after. Okay. So now let us try to print arguments. Let us try to print over here. Okay. So let us print it. Yeah, so in order not to take it in this way, let us try a different approach. So instead of printing this, let us call an integer r, and over here let us try to print this one from here. Okay, percent execution is equal to percentile d backslash n. Yeah. Hmm. Let us try to run this because this is technically better and this looks decent enough. So let us build it. So this is successful. Next, let us run exec So we are getting -1. -1 means it is getting failed. So let us check. Yeah, sorry, I got it. Now the difference here is like when you are trying, so we are trying to run it. So we are trying to pass the values which are present after argument value. So if we want here, if you want to execute and if you want to run it, we are not supposed to take print here. We are supposed to copy and we are supposed to pass it over here. Then we are supposed to pass the argument key value argument. Then this is correct. Yeah. Let me save this. Oh, pardon. Okay. Let us stop this. Control X. Make let us build it again. Then here EXECSYSTM. EXECSYSTM. Mhm. Let us try changing this to something else. Echo. Echo. So let us think argument value is equal to echo people and 5 by 0. Sorry, EXECSYSTM. See, so here when we are trying to run, then we are able to get, see, for example, the values which are present after echo are getting printed. So till here, before echo was printed, then after when we are trying to print this, after execution, the values which are present after ARGV are getting printed. So here, hello people are getting printed. So this is something like a predefined execution of code that needs to be made up in a program. So IITM is like there is a no you predefined compiled program, whereas here like echo is a predefined. So we are trying to echo is like printing of the next preceding word, which is given as hello. As the hello while hello as is in the previous case, like when there was no like IITM program. So it was returning one because when the file doesn't have exist, so it is showing us like the ELF executable command cannot be deleted, loaded. So in order to obtain the unloaded file, we are returning it as zero. So I think this was clear. So there was slight confusion. So if there is any slight confusion, like argument values, these value needs to be stored before in some of the programs and after executive because like we the program would be replaced with this particular kind of file. Yeah, I think that's it from this session. Like so we will be getting more clarity on upcoming programs because we will be discussing those in detail and we'll be getting more into it. Hope you guys have understood. Have a great day. Thank you.